Hi, yo, what's up? So we're back with another video. Last time you guys left off, I believe Andy just picked up the camera yesterday. Well, he picked up the SD card. What'd you say?
I said, oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right, we back.
What's dude?
What's up, dude? So that's right, we in this. We talking mad disrespectful. We heard y'all. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so right now we're just, well, I'm watching Marcel just go through this process of building his kit. So go, you want to explain anything?
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Right now, pretty much I'm filling in this little gap and shit on my bumper, the inside of the panel, so I can have my bumper flush with the quarter panel. For that shit, I'm using this, you wanna know what I'm using?
What you using?
I'm using some great stuff, man.
What are you using?
No, for real, look. Great stuff.
Oh, it is great stuff.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
he's just using great stuff. But, yeah, so he's just filling in so that way the gap stays.
Because my bumper before I do this, it's like hella sunken in and shit. So what I'm pretty much trying to do is get the flow of the bumper to match the flare. So building up the inside with the foam, shave it down, and then voila. Once
this is complete, guys, this is gonna look insane. Look at the front vents. The front vent look insane. That's what I'm talking about.
Crazy.
Yeah, this thing is gonna be so cool. And all of us are mobbing again. Can't wait. He already started this side. As you can see, it expanded a lot already, and he already got like the inside going. So all he has to do is just clean all that up once it's all dry, and then he can start sanding it down, getting it all molded. Yeah, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
Sweet, dude.
So as you guys can see, he's just laying down the tape.
Shouts out to Little Caesar for the
Caesars
for the mocking.
You know, Little Caesars always says better when you don't got a bitch in your ear telling you how horrible Little Caesars is.
You feeling me?
Fucking love Little Caesars, man.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
This shit's holding me down.
Man, holding down my bumper, bro.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shouts out to Little Caesars.
Let me get some B-roll because it's getting windy. He's gonna be like, this shit's so shaky.
I got Parkinson's. I got you on some B-roll, bro. Don't worry.
Okay. So, Julio took everything from my old XB. Sad. And now he's basically gonna dump the shit out of this. But he made the front too tall? No.
Yeah, I raised the front an inch from your setup, but I low-key regret it because I left the rear how you had it. And it looks good, and I thought it would be too low, but nah, it's actually pretty good.
So you're gonna lift the rear?
No, hell no.
Okay.
We're lowering the front.
Oh, okay. Lowering the front. So we're gonna lower the front a little bit more. Girls, minions, assemble. Okay, so if you guys can see, yeah, look at that. That's a lot better, and it still has to settle a little bit. But honestly, if you remove that ring, you should be okay. Think so? Yeah, you don't have to today, but like, I think you should remove it in the future. All right, so it's all aligned. It's all good to go. Steering wheel straight. Toes straight. That's good. And he's dropped as well. So yeah, he's a little bit better. He's kind of somewhat matching the rear. He needs to go a little bit lower to match. But it's still good. He's also gonna borrow my 15. He's basically getting my XB set up minus the key.
In memory of FSXB?
Yeah, pretty much. He's getting my 15 for now. Just for some players ball prep.
No more trunk, what the hell?
Oh no. Marcel's getting his shit ready.
Oh yeah, I'm taking mine too.
But yeah, so alright, well we're gonna call it a night right now. We're getting ready to all head out, so I'll probably see you guys not tomorrow. Probably going to Disneyland. I think I'm gonna be here Friday, so we'll see you guys Friday with Andy.
Bro, we just started the vlog. Don't fucking start the shit already, bro. I'm tired of your fucking shit. Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Back with another vlog. We're in the shop. We got Jose, we got Jesse, and we got the Z. What's going on with the Z today, boys?
Putting a lip on that shit.
Putting a lip on that shit.
Sheesh, it's already paint matched?
Yup.
My boy's a painter. Dude, it can't.
Rattle can.
Actually, it's really good.
Did you prime it before?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, okay.
Sanded it and everything.
Yeah, no, you can tell. Hey, the prep is literally.
That's
the most
everything,
important.
honestly. Yeah.
It looks
Yeah,
good.
it's pretty
Fuck yeah.
smooth.
So
The bottom's already kind of fucked up.
my boy had it mocked up earlier.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's gonna get, it's gonna
Yeah.
a little bit, but it's gonna look fucking good. Lips always
I
make
know.
a huge difference, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much until, like I said, until I get wheels. But I figured a lip is.
You can do a little lip.
It's a little something small, you know. Yeah.
At least it's lowered. It's different
Exactly.
if you just put a lip.
If that
and
shit was
nothing
all
else,
stock
yeah.
high with the lip, yeah, exactly.
But yeah, no, it's gonna look good for sure. All right, guys, this is how dedicated we are. Look at this. We got a vlog currently rendering on the way. We got the setup. I'm gonna upload that for you guys later today. We got another one
Yes,
in the
sir.
works for my boy Z.
Yes, sir.
He's already lowered it, and now it's gonna get a lip.
I know, right?
Sheesh, my boy's wasting no time.
Grams on my wrist shit cost like 10 G's.
Hey, that's how it's supposed to go. That looks pretty good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, the fitment's really good.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's the final product, guys.
Yup.
Fully mounted.
Flopping in the wind.
We playing Need for Speed Underground right now.
Yes, sir. The Santos Custom.
It look good.
Look good.
I like it. Yeah, for sure makes it look more aggressive.
I was gonna do black too. I'm glad I colored that shit.
No, I'm telling you, pay match, bro. The wave.
Yeah, because I was gonna leave it black, but I'm like, nah, like color match actually.
Yeah, it looks good, bro.
For a while, I was just lagging to put this shit in, but.
Okay, my boy. You had the other Z for way longer, and you didn't do as much stuff as you've already done to this one.
Right? That's crazy. I know last one I was like, bro, I didn't even get to do anything that I wanted to that shit. So as soon as I got this one, I'm like, you know, I'm gonna just hurry up, throw it on coilovers, like start doing shit, you know?
Yeah, for real. I tried uploading a vlog right now, but there's absolutely no service in this shithole. But Jose is about to leave, so later, dog. My boy is leaving with a nice new lip.
Oh, yeah, I
Good.
fuck with it. Yeah, at first I was a little iffy, but I kind of like it.
Yeah, tome.
It's not often that you see Freddie.
Tweety Bird.
Alright guys, we haven't been recording much. We've been cleaning the shit out of the outside right now.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot of wheels, so if any of you guys are interested, hit us up for pricing. For my Beamer guys, if you guys want these two sets right here, I'll do a combo deal. Hit me up 15s and 17s. Tires are shit on both of them.
got two pairs, or a pair right here of 17s.
Got some E90 stocks.
With good tires on them.
Everything. Everything, baby.
What's up, guys? It's another day. It's actually Saturday, so last night we left off like cleaning and stuff. It got pretty late, so we were pretty tired. The shop is clean now, and now we're gonna do a short and sub frame for our boy. Say what's up. Introduce
What
yourself.
up, dude? My name's George, and this is Jackass.
Mitch is here. Grab Mitch. So yeah, we're gonna do a short and sub frame. I did one on my LS, so We already know what I'm doing. Vinci has done one on his LS. So it's time to get him right. So this is the subframe made by Stateside Static. This shit is so good. Oh man, look at that. That's nice. So yeah, so what this does is it allows everything to sit up higher. So when he's scraping, all he's gonna be scraping is just floorboard. Nothing serious. It's now, when we started it was like fucking 2 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock. Turns out he scraped through the bolts that we needed to replace. So we went to the junkyard, got some new bolts, and we finally got the subframe out now. It didn't take us that long, it took us like 45 minutes at most. But the good thing is, we got this one out. So here's the stock one. You can see the mounts, not raised or anything. And then why don't you flip that over for him? So yeah, split, all that. Yeah, so these are the bolts that we had to replace. I'm gonna have Marcel work his magic when he gets here and then take those off. And then here is the shortened version.
Oh man, I really need something to take the edge off. What the? Bro, how you have a floating stizzy?
Cause I work for the military.
Alright guys, so we pushed the beamer outside again. We're lining up the bumper with the center valence and the fender. And I decided I'm not gonna put too much effort because this fender is pushed out and it's pushed in right here. We did make some of the dents look nicer, but yeah, I'm gonna for sure just need a new fender because yeah, it's just compare that to this side. The fitment's off, and yeah, it's all beat up. So I think that might be my next purchase pretty soon. New fender. I did try to buy one. I don't know if you guys remember. I bought it for a sedan though by accident. So if you guys have a E36 sedan, hit me up. I have a flat black. I think it's a driver's side sedan. Hit me up. I'll give it to you guys for the low.
We'll autograph it.
No one wants our fucking autograph, bro. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this hooked up, you know, just make it look nice for the meanwhile. Not have it look all sad. But yeah, for sure we're gonna get a fender soon. But also, we kind of put off the sanding on this quarter panel, but we're gonna get back to it. If you guys remember these arrows that Marcel graciously left for me. So basically we gotta sand these down, and if you guys could feel it, it's like a big bump right here, so we just gotta sand it down. This area is gonna need a little bit more filling, but oh no, my bad. Right here is gonna need some more filling. But yeah, we're gonna sand these areas down because you can feel it. It's like some humps in there. But we're gonna get this flatter, and then we can finally try to paint match this as well. We might honestly end up painting the whole car, I don't know. But we're gonna get this sanded down for sure. Hey bro, that's not how you properly spray a rattle can, bro.
It's not? Like this?
If any of you guys are a silent mechanic, holla at my boy. Just needs a new engine. They got hit with that notorious oil, what was it? It burns oil?
Oil consumption issue?
Oil consumption. My boy brought out the big word. Oil consumption. Consumption. So if you guys notice a slight change in the rear, I'll give you guys a second, just you guess.
These nuts.
I'll have Marcel explain when that handsome man comes back. But if you guys still haven't guessed what he changed in the rear, what'd you change?
My lug nuts.
Yeah, so he changed his lug nuts. These are some new.
No, I got a new bumper. It's a facelift one too. I got a new one because my other one was done for, bro. It was a wrap, so I don't have to do so much shit to it to fix it. And this one's like a clean slate, so
Hey, silver looks pretty good.
It do. It don't look that bad. I hate silver, bro, but that shit don't look too shabby.
Clean slate.
Yeah.
It's like,
So the facelift also has these for the brake.
whoa.
I'm standing on your teeth.
Bro, you can't just go around standing on people's tees, bro.
What do you mean I can't, bro? I got free will.
You know,
Standing on my TE.
If you got TEs, I'll stand on them.
So like I was fucking saying, the new facelift also has these for the brake reflectors.
Yeah, for the brake reflectors. So I didn't get those Johns. Yeah, that's about it. It flows hella good with this body line too.
Yeah, somehow, if you guys can see this line right here, it literally flows into that line right there. So it's crazy. Like it's just coming together. It looks like molded like OEM. Like it's just looking good. Like
You look good. It's an Outback. Look very nice. Huh?
It's an Outback.
It's an N-back.
so, I see you brought out the angle grinder. What?
Oh, you already know what's going on, bro. Now I'm about to cut the little side pieces real quick, just to trim it, and then tab load them so it's even. 'Cause I did this side a little bit, but I think I trimmed this one already. I think so. I'm counting. Yeah, so this one's pretty much not done, but it's tack loaded and shit.
Oh, I get what you mean.
That one's just flapping out.
Flapping out just like I won't say it. I won't say it.
So I will.